Hello students. Uh, Today I am going to share how to write a notice and what is the format of notice writing. Fine. So first of all, before understanding the notice, it is very necessary to know actually what is a notice. A notice is a written copy of any important information that needs to be given to a group of people. Can you see? Okay, it is a piece of information that needs to be given to people, a group of people. Okay, now I will show you what is the format of notice. Before writing a notice, first of all, we will draw a box like this. We will draw a box like this, but we will not close it from the bottom. Right? Why we will not close it from the bottom? Because whatever we are writing, that can extend this bottom line, and later on it will look very awkward. Fine. So we will close it later on after finishing writing the notice. Fine. So the first important step is to draw a box. After drawing a box in central alignment, understand children that notice is written in central alignment. Okay, so first of all we will write in capital letters the heading notice. Okay, first of all we will write the heading notice in central alignment. After that we will leave one line. After that we will write the name of the institution, whatever the name of the institution. Okay, if any institution's name is given in the question, okay, so we will write that name of the institution. If no name is given in the question, we will write Bluebird Senior Secondary School. So I am writing Bluebird Senior Secondary School. Okay, it is Bluebird. For senior I will write SR. Fine. Senior Secondary School. This is the name of the institution. Fine. After that we will again leave one line. Then we will choose any heading for the notice. Fine. For example, suppose we are writing a notice for the topic. You are the head boy of the school. Write a notice for the students of your school to notify them about a poster drawing competition that is going to be held on Teachers' Day. Fine, this is the question. So you are the head boy, and what can be the heading of this notice? It is poster designing competition. Okay, so we will write here. It is poster designing competition. You will carry it. I am having lack of space, so I am not completing it. Okay, poster designing competition. After this, on left alignment we will write the date. For date we will choose the it is the same format that I told you in diary writing. Okay, so expanded form. So we will write today is 5, so we will write 5th November, comma 2020. This is the top format. After that we will come here and we will start writing from here. Every notice start with the line, this is to notify that our school is organizing a poster designing competition. Fine. Okay, this is that. Now after now you can see that space is lacking, what I told you in the beginning. That's why I didn't close it from the bottom. Now I can extend these lines. Fine. Okay, all those who want to participate should draw a poster on A4 size sheet and send to their class teacher till 7 p.m. today. Fine, this is your notice. This here notice finish. Now we will extend the lines again because अभी हमारा notice finish नहीं हुआ. Fine, okay. Till writing here, okay. Now you will write your name. Remember now here this is very important to know that if no name is given in the question, you will write your own name, and if any name is given in the question, you will follow the same name. Okay, whether suppose in the question it is you are Nidhi, the head boy of the school, so you will write Nidhi here. Okay, you will write Nidhi here, Nidhi Garg. फाइन, यहाँ पर आप एक लाइन छोड़ेंगे और उसके बाद आप ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे, हेड गर्ल. ओके, और यहाँ पर यू विल साइन. ओके, दिस इज द एंड. डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लोज इट. Fine, this is the format of notice. Remember, notice gives the answer of some W's. W's, what, when, where, okay, who. These are the W's. Okay, जिनका आंसर आपको इस नोटिस में देखना है. What, पोस्टर डिजाइनिंग कॉम्पिटिशन. ओके, when, ऑन टीचर्स डे. वेयर, स्कूल. हु, आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना है. फाइन. ओके, तो दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ पोस्ट एंड नोटिस राइटिंग. फाइन, नाउ you will write a notice of this question. It is given in your grammar book, page number 154. Okay, this is the question. For that you will write the notice. Okay, this is the question. Let me show you the question. Suppose your question is, this is the question. Your school is organizing a blood donation camp on Wednesday, the 17th December. As the school's head boy, put up a notice announcing the program. Okay, write the notice and send to me till 8 o'clock. Okay, fine. दूध वाला ना नीचे से